His mom.
Hey guys, it's Toaster. Sorry for a late announcements. Okay, what is that? Either way, sorry for the late announcements. I'm now posting, and I'm in a public lobby to see if it's open, and I'm gonna show you the new locations for the maps.
There you go.
And other stuff.
Kids play regs, like,
so let's get to it.
Tough Toaster.
Would you like the mountain key? Would you like the mountain key?
Is it not open or?
Tough Toaster.
It's not open, I don't think.
Alright.
Want me to bring it just in case?
Yeah, let's bring. I'm gonna show him the whole map situation though.
Tough Toaster.
So with these nice people, oh, I don't know why I didn't go through the door. This is the new map. No, I'm not gonna. So this is where you get to the end of the game, which technically.
Hey, I'm here.
Oh, there it is. Which that is the key for the vault. But first, we're gonna show maps around the whole map situation. Oh, and there's someone right there. So here's the first one. This is the first entrance to the tape. It's right around the corner once you drop into it. So once you get in here, it is right here. And I'll make these guys out on the other side. Alright, now.
Help!
Oh.
In my break.
What have you got?
I like your
camera.
camera.
You get up? Until he pops up, we are going to head to 2 more locations. Teleport back here, and we will show you where you can get these snowboards.
I fell down.
You all the way in here?
I'm coming.
I can hear him. I don't know where he's at though. Oh, he's up here. He's trying to make his way up here. There you are. Oh, maybe that hit him. Wait, is that him? No, he's right there. Alright. We're gonna make our way down to Haunted Cabin, which is where you get this key. Now, best option for this whole new map is the snowboards. A lot more control besides the skis. I think the skis are more of just messing around. Now, you might see other YouTubers like Just Toast. You might see Toasty, other Apollo.
Yo, guy going to the ski map, wait up.
You might have seen other YouTubers show about this, but some I have not shown locations. I know Toasty has done the vault and where he got the new snowboard. So we're gonna show you location. That over the first one was the mountains one. We will be showing you where the cabin is at. Once you hit to the middle section right there, you're given either left or straight. And honestly, I'm about to change to a new channel because people don't know. My bad. If you hang a right about here, this is the second tape, and this tape is called the Outpost. So the first one's called the Mountains, this one's called the Outpost. Now in this cabin there are spooky monsters like that one right there. They could 2-tap you, just beware. Oh, Jesus Christ. I would actually bring a big flashlight, but the key is in, if I'm correct, 4th room.
What is that?
Around the corner. If you keep going straight, it's the door on the left.
What is that?
It's Spooky Person. I'm gonna call him Spooky Man the First, because I think there's a total of 5 in there. I don't know. So, let's head to OG.
We should go into the portal.
Now, with all my other videos, well, before I even posted, actually, no, you've seen the OG map, but not the, like, regular version. You've seen the OG map. Some people have, some people haven't. Well, they brought it back, and I'm thankful for Rooster Games because it actually meant to all of us for the OG map to come back. You can buy stuff there, you can't go anywhere else. So I'll show you the location of the chip. Now, to the right here, that is the vault. We'll get to that in a minute until we get to OG.
Woo!
Now, it kind of like, it broke everyone's heart until like the ship. I think if everyone remembered the whole ship incident over by Lake, where we got to the new map, I think everyone was devastated about OG and how it just now is gone. But from now on, is still is here. At some point, I think the snow is gonna melt. So here is the OG map. Ouch. Okay. So with that key that goes to the vault, we will get to this part soon. But the chip is up in that second teleport area, like where you go in caves. You can buy stuff here, you can't go in there or anywhere else. How much money do I have? I have 1,700,000. Yep. So I think, told him where this last chip is at. I think it's time to open the door. Alright, let's go. Now, some people might need some skill within the door and other stuff. But it's really easy and simple what you gotta do. I think there's a reason why, because there is a tactic that Toasty used. It was a ski pole and a snowboard. So let's get here real quick. Is there a ski pole?
So were you guys like trying to kill us or something?
Huh?
Wait, can I have one? Can I have one? Okay.
Start here. Someone pick a song.
Now these technically kind of snow pogo sticks. I don't know why though. But they give you a big boost. So we're gonna head to the vault door where our buddy old pal Blue is gonna open that door. Now that door is gonna leave some serious parkouring skills, which I know the rest of you guys hate. And yeah, and with the I will show you what the reel does. I don't know if YouTube's gonna let me. People that don't have VRs and other stuff, but we're gonna show you anyways. And sorry I can't go live. I hit 53 or whatever. I'm sorry I can't go live because I am not the right amount of age. So I at least got to wait a couple more years. So right now, this vault ain't open just yet. Now that key is where you get, so that is to the key, so that is the door to haunted cabin. That is the door to the parkour. But you need, you can open it. I'm just explaining. He's gonna open the door. But that key is to haunted cabin. You bring that here and open that door. Now once he opens this door, I'm gonna show you why some people hate this parkour. And I'm being nice and showing you guys this update because I know you guys, I have been posting for a while, so you guys would have been devastated if I wasn't. So once we get in here, we should. So this is the whole parkour area now. They give you, they have money here. I'm gonna just go the original route. There is a way to like cheat half of the stuff here. Be better if I show you the actual. Okay, now this part I struggle on the most. Now, with the black tar pit, whatever that's called, it's good. Like, see, this is why I have double jump with me. My pogo is not helping. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna have to die. No, it's hard enough for this. It's hard enough to get past there. So yeah, you just start back here so I wouldn't drop your stuff. So I'm just gonna go a faster way. Oh, I forgot about that tar pit. Yep. I couldn't make that. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna go classic normal speed. I can make it from here. Now, at some point, you guys are gonna get mad at this because how hard it is and other stuff. But once you get used to it, it's gonna get really easy. Get over this There we go. Okay, so there's that part. So then we got this part here. Now, my tip of advice, I would aim more for the sides. Or if you have a ski pole. Oh, I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, yeah, so there goes the game. So I don't need that. I might have, yeah, I don't need that. Because you get to, it's a spawn point situation. So once you get here now, you should be able to get enough speed. That's why I lost the Pokemon. Okay. So once you get to here, you get to this part. This video might be like a minute long, so I don't know. But I have an hour until I go. So I'm gonna use all the remaining time I have until I get this video posted. So then you get two paths. Right is parkour, left is just easy. So I would go left if I were you. Ouch. So I think our buddy over here probably got the real. Or maybe not. So, but that ain't the final one just yet. That ain't the last one. There's a total of 4. This is the last one. Sorry, this is the last one. This is, I don't know why it says hello, bro, but this is the Frozen Vault, and where you get the real. Now, I'm gonna grab this with my, I'm gonna grab with my other hand, so I got a hand to. And sorry if you like see my boundary like, area because I'm like blocking and trying to do stuff. So we get back. So then you get teleport back to the second part. So that this is where you got the OG again. So let's say you cannot hold this in your back. Sadly to say. So it's either you choose the tape or choose this one. Once you get used to parkour, you could choose both, honestly, because it's really easy to get past. Oh, big shout-outs to Blue for helping, too. Now, if you can't find my channel, and, it is an AI-generated, like, cartoon version of a toaster, with none of the VR. It should just find Toaster VR, and you should have a total of 53 or 52. Matters how many people like subscribe and unsubscribe, but if you see someone with 53 subscribers or lower, that is me. You can tell they have not hit live yet, and plus the amount you check the videos too. You can check my voice. You can check basically the amount of times I posted. Oh, and here's our trusty pal. Oh, hey.
I hear you.
I have a crate
Me?
from the OG times.
It's me, the snowball.
The meat. Yes. So after this is basically after, if I'm correct, the graveyard. No, this is where the real goes. And I think
I
everyone's
live
gonna
here
be-
as a hermit.
Yes.
I'm a hermit. I live here. I live here.
Oh,
This is
you're a hermit.
my home. Yeah, I'm a
Yo,
little
fellow,
hermit.
fellow Snowball.
Alright.
I have one of these.
Either
Yo,
way.
I remember when a hacker used to hack the lobbies. And
Shush!
then,
Jimmy,
and then,
stop.
like,
Jimmy, stop.
This is
What's that?
Such a OG.
Would you rather a free rocket
You don't
or
belong
mystery bag?
in my town.
Yeah, so there's people like this. I don't know why. Can I get revived?
You are in my town.
I'll leave the town. I'll leave the town. If you revive me, I'll leave the town.
Listen.
If you revive me, I'll leave the town.
I'll bring
You're
you
in our
back. Can I
town.
chill?
If you
But
revive me, I'll
listen,
leave your town.
You gotta. No, you can stay here. You just
Oh,
gotta
okay.
ask to join my home. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry, I just want
It's
I'm a YouTuber. I'm just
Yeah.
want to show them the whole new update.
Yeah, you're good.
It's like entering
Can I
someone's
join your
home without
clan? Can I
asking.
join your
Yeah, you're
home?
good.
Thank you.
I mean,
Oh
just
my.
look at her.
Yo, I remember the OG memes.
Me too.
Bro, I
And then
remember,
this is
what's his
where
name?
this door kicks
This
in.
brings
And
back
then
so
you're
much
just gonna run
memories.
here.
Huh?
Let's go.
What's this?
Fellow
So then
Caribbean.
welcome
Booty dudes.
to the credits.
Let's go.
What?
These are the credits.
The credits are open. The credits are
Yeah. Yo.
open. Yo, I'm getting
Basically, if you already collect them all, you don't have to go through them. But if you want more company coins, it's a good choice to go through.
Whoa.
Now, once we get to the end, I'll show you what it does.
Yo.
Okay,
I think there's more people that showed up here.
Free company coins. Let's see, how many does it give? Like
Like,
one company coin?
Your first time through gives you 10. The second time go
And the
through
thing
is
is,
like
you can
1.
get all the company points every single time.
I think there's more than last time.
If people do film reels, can you just come in here and get infinite coins?
Yeah.
I think my brother actually did that.
Before, this is more than last time. I don't know what's up with
Get all the
the...
company coins. That's
No,
why-
there's a lot of things.
This is a lot more than usual.
Yes, it does. Walking does kill you.
So that should be the rest of them.
What happens?
Alright. So, since you're right before, as you gotta get them all, they start showing up here. This is all the people. Alright, I'm gonna show you what this does. Says my name, sends you straight flying. Now this is cool, it's because the door is still open. The door stays open. You can do it again. But this sends you straight to the beginning. Yes, I know my arms are back here because my hands are back where I'm facing. But this is where it sends here and you get your special snowboard. That is all for today. If you want me to keep posting more, just ask. Yep, and it also says who's eating. But you just keep me posted, like, and that's a lot more signs than usual.
Like this. Oh.
I think you guys haven't seen the reactor, so I'll show that on another day. But we have a map that I have not gotten yet. So some people have forgotten them all.
Why
But
is
this
everyone
one,
eating?
this one is missing. I don't know which one that is.
No.
But there's mountains,
My face.
outposts, frozen vaults, Lost Valleys OG.
What is like one thing you've always wanted?
And this is the quest to do it, so it's really easy. You just gotta go through all that
What's
stuff.
something you really want?
You have everything unlocked?
Almost. Fine and boring stuff, right?
I think half of the community is like much more nicer. Oh, heads up too with next big update. These two cracks here. Oh wait, I don't know. My hands are stuck. Give me a second. Let me teleport up here to show you why. So these two cracks are gonna connect. This whole lake is gonna collapse. And if I'm correct, I don't know if anyone's seen over here too, that this dam, this part of the dam is getting smaller and smaller. Like, wait, oh, my hand just like disconnected for some reason. No, right here. Oh my god, Mike. No, right here. At some point, this thing is gonna start sliding down and just like rampage this whole lake. And we might have another access. Some people might say, because before I saw buildings there, so I'm like, oh, it's a new area, but never mind. I thought we were able to go to a new map, which we already are in the new map.
It's a cool song. It's a cool song.
Yeah.
Yep, these are the keys again, like I mentioned.
Don't steal it from me.
I ain't gonna do nothing. Forgot your pickaxe.
Oh, thank you.
Do you like this song better?
No, I hate
Oh
that
yeah, make me try it.
Wanna try it?
Yes.
song. If I'm correct.
Not you.
Yes, they added a new consumable.
Can I get that
It's
boombox
hot
for
chocolate.
this?
No.
No,
No.
come here. Green, come here. Green, come here. Look at. Let me get this on the sky.
Yo, stop it, bro.
Make me ID you.
Where are you going?
Green.
No, but I think you guys will probably enjoy this update. Subscribe to Toaster VR. I could really use the help. Also, big
you
shout.
tried to hit me up.
Oh, that was good. Whoa,
What's good, bud?
was good, man.
What, are you making a YouTube video, bud?
Yeah. Showing locations. I'm already showing the locations. What happens at the end of the
No,
map.
I'm gonna say one thing
Yeah.
to your viewers. Subscribe!
Yes. Subscribe. Yes. We have a.
Subscribe!
You know what? Where is he at?
Like and subscribe. Nice! Ah! No, I'm also buying Infinite.
Yo, your
But,
video-
yo, where's my
your video
fellow
is so
Caroline
tough.
buying
Walmart
Infinite?
cooldown.
Where's my fellow Caroline Snowball? Come
Yeah.
on, bud!
I think he's on there.
Infinite Snowball!
Yeah, with these
Yeah, I own
snowboards,
them
they're,
too. See
they're
ya.
signed by.
Yeah, I
forgot to
own
do
these
something.
too,
I forgot to do
as you
something.
can see.
Yeah, half of these communities, they're nice. Some people are toxic, and it's just a little annoying. Why is there three
Can somebody
cheeses
tell
on?
me where the...
Tell you what. Tell you
Yo,
what.
can you tell me where the log cabin is? So
The
I can
log
find
cabin?
the key?
I got you.
Oh yeah, I know it is. Thank you, bro. I'm like new to this update.
Oh, everyone is.
Yeah, I played this update like once
We got another one coming.
with my friend. Okay. I have one of these.
Oh, okay.
You know what? Yo, YouTuber guy. Which was so boring.
Just follow me.
Alright.
I might go a little bit too fast. Oh, wrong way! He missed his turn.
Do not go near that thing. That will please hit you.
Wait, where are you? I hear you. Do you go down to OG? Where's my snowball brother at?
TV3 no place and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, where's the
I'll be
log
right back.
cabin? I'm right here. I'm right here.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm right
Oh,
here.
there you are. Okay,
Oh, where's the-
you
okay,
passed it?
I'll be right back with the
It's called a VHS hit.
Yo, it's good!
Oh my god, am I being followed?
Oh, yo, bye.
I could just like, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It's just I'm trying to do my own thing. I wonder if you guys' screens are laggy for mine. But, who knows?
Hello, my fellows.
What? Use your handbook.
I'm gonna go put on the skin.
Where is what I'm looking for?
Yo, it's vegan. I'm back. Hi.
Like, not at it. I'm trying to find something. Hold on.
I'm not on book. I'm
Is
very
there?
book. I carry
No,
5
it's none of
platforms.
these. I despise Christmas.
La polidu.
Match.
La polidu.
I despise Christmas. Oh, it's 5. I think I have one. I don't know. Okay, let me check.
Anyways, you wanna go surfboarding? Yo, Glenn, you wanna go to Wake and start
I'll go
doing
surfboarding.
Give me a
pleasant
second.
stuff in Wake?
Give me a
Fuck
second.
around, Glenn. Buy me a crossbow! Please.
Do I not have it? I swear I had it.
Wait, is it this that you
Buy me
want?
a
Oh, no,
crossbow,
no, there it is.
please. I'm just trying to go to the
There we go.
lake
can
and
have
do
this.
a grab.
He was trying to grab it.
I am a snowball. Stop it touching me.
Bro, I don't see you. You're not here. Oh, I see you. I see you. Stop moving. Hello. Wait, move again. See you. Are you in the cabin?
Actually, I like to avoid this
Bro, are
social
you in the cabin?
connection here,
So who can get me a graph?
so I can like be spacious. Because I feel other YouTubers how they just like they get piled on by other people. And sure, I know it sometimes is annoying for you guys, but I'm not trying to be rude to all you fans. But
Yo, where are you,
sometimes us YouTubers, like us small content creators, sure we want the attention, but we also want space so we can talk and do other things. And like here and do I don't know how much stuff you guys have to use. Like J-Man Curly, Just Toasty, VMT, and other people like that. I feel sorry for you guys to be crying over so much people. J-Man Curly, I know you love the attention, but at some day I hope you know you're gonna get tired of the attention, people surrounding you, and all of that. Yeah, it's okay though. I'm trying to put positive vibes. Where's my snowman brother? Where is my snowman brother? This is my territory.
Man, this guy is a... That guy is a...
I'm gonna smack. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm so quiet, but I'm gonna make my way up here.
Oh, no!
Yeah, big shout outs to Blue for helping. Shout out for the person in that, suit. I don't know what's called, I forgot.
Who wants to race for a grappler?
And let's see.
Me.
Okay, I'm going to the top of the mountain.
Big shout outs to
I'm at the
everyone in
bottom,
this
just kidding.
lobby for helping.
I see skeleton. And leave us around.
Ephalaton.
Oh, hey.
So peace, obviously. Who's racing?
I'm a red guy going down the slope where it...
There's something I do want to ski up.
Sorry, sorry. Bro, mach mal jetzt aus, Digga. Es fuckt richtig ab. Geil. Der hat den Kopf gekriegt.
Well,
Bro. Yeah.
I don't know why, I'm just messing right now. Honestly, I think I should just like post the
Hallo?
video.
Bro?
guys post in the comments what game I should do next. I did Orion Drift for my other videos. Honestly, I did Animal Company for shorts. Plus this video. So, you choose in my comments. I will post something. Okay, just go to post, go to my channel, go to post. And either you could comment, I will rule how many people said Animal Company, Orion Drift, or Gorilla Tag. I will rule how many, and then I will post in that comment section, be like, the game that I will be recording will be this. But sadly say, I will be off on a vacation, so I'll be back until probably next week. So, matter of fact, I will see you guys later. Subscribe to Toaster VR. People subscribed. Be prepared. Join code TOAST. Okay? Bye! So, see you later. Have a good Christmas. And I'm gonna say a little saying. The farther you fall, the higher you fly. That is all for today. Bye-bye.